Once again, I am here with all of you. Hope you all are doing well, right? But today, my topic is something different. Today, I'm not here to present any kind of dance, to give you any kind of lecture regarding your syllabus and all this. Today, completely different, and today I am here with a offbeat topic. That is the right now the situation, because pandemic, this covid-19, right, this covid-19 has changed education forever, right? Yes, this is a change, this is a mere change, we can say, but some of us are thinking to stop it, to stop having education, because it's not offline, it's completely online right now. But is it the right way? Is it the right decision, we can say? No, definitely not. We cannot stop it. We can change it. We can change it. We can change the way. We can change the our whatever. But we can't stop it. Anyhow, we can stop it. It's not right. It's not right to stop having education. It's like it's an important part of our life. Every day we need our food, we need our shower and everything. Just like that, consider this education in that way, because education is the utmost need, you can say. It should be the utmost need of our life. We can't stop it, we can change it, and we are doing it, right? Yes, right now online, you can see everywhere online education is going on, in school, tuition, whatever it is. As okay, it's not, you can say ki it's not that much fruitful. Okay, we can say we are agree with you ki it's not that much fruitful, but at least we can start something new. Look, change is inevitable, you can't stop it anyhow. If this pandemic is going on, what we can do? It's just out of our control, and it's not a cakewalk even to cope up with the situation, but we have to. We at least we can try. But yes, as we need to cope up with the situation, we should not forget about some manners, right? When we are going to join any online education, we should follow some kind of etiquettes, that we can say online classes etiquettes. If you are not following any etiquettes, not only your teacher, you will be having a lot of problems while attending the class. So it's better for both of teacher and student to follow a particular agenda, right? Your student must follow some kind of etiquette, some kind of manners. Right now, I will present some points in short. I will not take much time. In short, I will discuss key what should be followed while you are attending online classes. It will be easier for you, both for you and your teacher also. Okay? Okay. So let's have a look. So the first point is be on time. Try to join your class on time. Try to be punctual, because it's not easy for teacher to repeat the thing again and again. You are joining late and you are requesting for repeating. It's quite impossible, as you can also understand. Wear proper attire. As you are not in school, never, you shouldn't feel that I'm not in school, whatever is going on is not that much serious. So try to wear proper attire. जो आपका ड्रेस है सही सलामत उस वो पहन के क्लास अटेंड करो. चूज अ गुड लोकेशन. आप कहाँ क्लास करने के लिए बैठ रहे हो, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. यू शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट द लोकेशन बिहाइंड यू. Mute yourself if you experience unavoidable background noise. आपके पीछे आपका भाई बहन कोई तो रो रहा है, आपका मम्मी कुछ तो बोल रहा है, आपका पापा कुछ बोल रहा है, एंड योर टीचर, कैन यू टेल मी, इज इट द राइट वे? नो, टीचर, it will be it will create a disturbing noise for the entire class, and it will disturb you also. So always mute yourself, mute your microphone if if you are having any kind of unavoidable circumstances over there. बी रेडी टू टेक नोट्स. हमेशा जब आप क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो आपके नोटबुक आपके साथ में रखो. ऐसा नहीं है कि टीचर विल आस्क यू बेटा बी रेडी विथ योर नोटबुक देन ओनली यू विल बी रेडी. तो इसमें टाइम जो होता है वो कंज्यूम हो जाते हैं. गिव योर फुल फोकस्ड अटेंशन. आपका अटेंशन वहाँ पे ही होना चाहिए. आप क्या करते हो, क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो, घर में कुछ और चल रहा है, वहाँ पे फोकस कर रहे हो, फिर बाद में आके यू आस्किंग योर टीचर कि मैम आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड इट. ऑलमोस्ट द half of the chapter is finished and now you are requesting to repeat this thing once again. So don't do this. Give your full focused attention. Parents should not interfere in between. I hope I don't need to explain this point. Ask questions if confusion is there. अगर आपको कोई कन्फ्यूजन है तो वहीं पूछो, वहाँ से ही कन्फ्यूजन क्लियर करो. बाद में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए टीचर आपने जब वो टीच किया था मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था. देन व्हाट वर यू डूइंग देन, व्हाई आर यू आस्किंग राइट नाउ. सो जब भी कन्फ्यूजन है वो तभी क्लियर करो. अपोलोजाइज फॉर एनी एक्सीडेंटल ब्रीच ऑफ एटिकेट्स. अगर इसमें से कोई एटिकेट्स आपने ब्रेक किया तो अपोलोजाइज करो. पार्डन, यू शुड सीक पार्डन. ओके. Or one more thing which is not discussed over here, that is you always should say excuse me before telling anything. Don't interrupt in between again and again. It's very disturbing and it's a sign of having bad manners. Don't do this. Okay. So that's it. So this much points, if you can follow every day while attending online classes, you will be having no problem, I can assure you. Okay. So try to go through the points once again and try to follow this. Okay. Chalo. Bye. Have a nice day and take care and enjoy your online session.